Hi, I'm Vic from Japan. Thank you for watching my video. Today I'm going to explain you how to make an iPhone app, the piano app, which is called Swift Piano, by using the Apple's new programming language, Swift. So, like this. Yes. Uh, Before to do so, let me introduce myself a bit. First of all, as you know, I'm Japanese. I'm native Japanese, so sometimes my English sucks. So hope you can understand my English. And second, I'm a very beginner of programming. I just started programming itself and studying the Swift 1 month ago. So I only have 1 month career. Hope I can share something beneficial for you, and at the same time I want your feedback, then I can study more and more. Thank you very much. Okay, let's start working. Yo. Let's run Xcode, create a new Xcode project, check iOS application, single view application, go to next. Product name is Swift Piano. Language you should check Swift. Devices you should check iPhone. And save anywhere you want. Create. Okay. What we have to do first is to set the appearance. Set the size of the display, which device you use. So first, let's do here. Device orientation. Check off the portrait and check on the landscape left, check on the landscape right, which means you use the iPhone from the landscape view. Yes. Then click main storyboard, click view controller, and here check the attribute inspector. Then you can change size and orientation. Size, because I'm using the iPhone 5, let's check iPhone 4-inch. And orientation is the landscape. So here you can see landscape iPhone 4-inch size display. Also, let's check this. You can change width and height, so like this. Yes. Then you can put any image coding like iPhone 4-inch landscape display. Also, you have to change here. This is iOS simulator. So when you set the iPhone 5, it means when you run the iOS simulator, you use iPhone 5 device. Okay, next what you have to do is to import the image and sound data. This data you can download from my blog. So check the inside image. You can see the black key and white key. Also sound. You can see the 1 octave piano sound from C to C3 to C4. Let's import. Just select, drag and drop like here, and please check the copy item if needed. Finish. And also sound, import, copy item if you need to check. Okay, finish. Then you could import the sound file and image file. Yes. Okay, next let's make the appearance, the keyboard appearance. So please check the show the object library and search the button drag and drop, then background for white JPEG. Click again, go to editor, size to fit content, then you can make the white key like this. And let's change the name here. Okay, name C3. Okay. And alignment vertical bottom like this. Yes. By the way, if you do not have this view, just click here. Yes. And for one octave, you need 8 white keys. So copy by pressing Command plus C button and paste by pressing Command plus V button and make 8 white keys. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. And make the keyboard appearance like this. Okay. And put this to center like this. And we have to change name. D E F E A B C4. And the same thing you have to do for black key. Background image, black. Select again, editor, size to fit content, like this. Name C#. Copy, paste, copy, paste, copy, paste, copy, paste. Okay, and change the name. D sharp F sharp G sharp A sharp, like this. Oh, it seems easy. Okay, let's check by building the iOS simulator. So we have to wait a bit with the piano. Yes, like this. When you click, there's no sound comes up, but you can see you can click something. So what we are going to do is to write a code. When you press the button, the sound comes up. Okay, let's stop the simulator. Here what I have to tell you is right now I know two ways of writing a code. First way is the easier code for beginner, but a kind of long code is long. The second way is a bit difficult for beginner, but the code itself is very simple. So this time I'd like to explain the first version. Code is long but easy to write. If you are still interested in, then you can check my second video to explain by explaining the array function, array, and what the for in loop and tag properties. But anyway, this time let's write code. So go to the view controller. Here you have to write your code. And you can check every code from my blog, so if you don't understand, you don't have to worry. Let's write import every foundation, which is a framework to play sound, and also write the piano sound. First, we make the C3 sound comes up, and after doing so we just do the same things for every key. So let's do C3 equal NSURL file pass bundle dot main bundle dot path for resource, which is C3 of type MP3. Yes, like this. This P3 is same as this. Okay. Oh. And audio player C3 equal AV audio player. Okay. And one another code in the override function beauty load. You have to put audio player C3 equal every audio player. Contents of URL, piano sound C3 error new. Then audio player C3 dot prepare to play. Yes, like this. So the coding is almost done. What we did is maybe we order the program that let's read this piano C3 sound from here and let's prepare to be played when we run these apps. So what we are going to do is when we click the key, the sound comes up. So go to the main storyboard again, and you can close this, and also you press here so that from at the left side you can see the view controller and which is the main storyboard, and the right side you can see the view controller.swift, and you connect the key and the code. Hope you understand what I mean. Okay, anyway, let's do this. When you click C3, press the control button and also left click. Go to the view controller and release. Okay, and let's change setting, connection, action, main, C3, type, UI button, event, touchdown, and connect. Then you can see this code, and you can see this mark, which means it's connected. Yes. So when you press this button, the sound should come up. So let's write audio player c3 dot play like this. So play, play. Yes. Okay, let's run the simulator. Hope it works. Oh my, okay. So when you click, the C3 sound comes up. But the problem is you have to wait the sound is gone. So what I'd like to do is whenever I press this button, the sound comes up like dun 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 dun. So let's add some other code. And also I have to fix this appearance later. Let's stop and for the code, let's add this audio player c3 dot current time equals 0, which means whenever you press the button, the sound comes up from the beginning, every time from that beginning. And also let's change the appearance. This C3 keyboard should be back, so select, go to editor, arrange, send to front, no, send to back. Change this, arrange, send to front. No! What's happened? Undo. Yes, send back like this. Run again. Then so whenever I click, the sound comes out. And then what we have to do is just to do the same things to every keys, which is very annoying, but for the beginner it's very easy to understand. Just do the same things for every keys. Yes. Of course, there's another way to make the code simple and much easier, but it's kind of complicated, especially for the beginner. So this time, this video, let's do the same things for 12 times. But actually to write every code is annoying, so just copy and paste from my blog. But I strongly recommend to the beginner to write every code by yourself, not copy and pasting, because it's very good for you to understand the code. Also copy your this to this. Okay, seems good. And this IV action function I have to connect by my hand, unfortunately. So select, press Ctrl, left click, release, action, C#. You can't use the sharp this mark, so let's put S, large letter S, CS. And your button, touch down, and connect. It is because the CS, it is because when you see here piano sound CS. Here you cannot use the sharp letter, so I use S. Okay, let's connect every key first. Action B, touchdown, connect. Good. I know it's very annoying, boring, but you can remember how to do that if you do this for 12 times. So it's very good for you. Control. No. Action. E. E sound. Here button. Touchdown. Connect. F. Action. F sound. Type here button. Touchdown. Connect. F sharp action. FS. Here button. Touchdown. Connect. And G action G UI button touchdown connect C sharp action ES UI button touchdown connect and A action A UI button touchdown connect A sharp action AS UI button touchdown connect and B action B UI button touchdown connect and C4 yes action and C4 UI button touchdown connect and copy this paste 12 times and of course you should change the name C3 C S D DS E F FS G GS A yes B C4 okay that's all this should work let's run the simulator and Oh, I have to change this again. Anyway, let's check. Oh, convert. Let's change this editor and send it back again. Good. Yeah. Okay, like this. I think especially for the beginner, you can understand the making the apps is not so difficult. I mean, it's very difficult. It should be difficult, but making this kind of apps of a simple app is not so difficult. You can make this within an hour and also can learn how the Xcode works, how the code itself works, and you can start searching, reading the library, searching the function, class, da 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 da. That's I think how we start learning the programming. Okay, thank you very much for watching. And also one thing, I'm going to upload the second version, which is the bit difficult for the beginner, but code itself is very simple and much easier to work on. Okay, see you again. Bye bye.